Hello producers, it's Ozgun here and welcome to the channel. So a couple months ago I already shoot best free plugins of 2025 video and I have couple of additions to that video. If you haven't watched it out, you can watch that first. And in this video I have couple newest plugins that I think you will like it. So let's start with the first one, which is one of my favorite companies, Analog Obsession. As usual, they just released a huge banger saturation plugin. So this plugin, I don't know, let me show it in action. You can put it on synths, vocals, whatever you like it. It comes with like 6 different saturation modes. And let me show you, for example, with the kick and bass. This is like the dry version. So it's squeezing the sound. I like the silky. This one adds amazing top end. You see how it makes it more clicky and also at tones of character. So you don't need to exaggerate as I did, but I just want to show you how it sounds. So let's say we have this track and we want to use it on the master bass to give a little bit character to our tracks. I would go with silky again. And we will go like less wet, like maybe 25%. Or even let's go dust. Very transparent, right? Let's try others. When I turn it on and off, you will just understand the character of it. It makes it super bright, super rich in terms of harmonics. Again, like all the mods have different usage scenarios. Just check it out by yourself. It's totally free. You should grab this now. So for the second plugin, it's actually a synth. So there's a free version and a paid version as well. This is the free version, but I think it's amazing, guys. So let's check the presets of it. Start with the first one. So familiar, right? And yeah, there's like amazing sounds. Amazing, amazing. And the visuals are pretty nice too. So this orbit section also gives movement to the sound, just like an LFO. And for example, let's check this preset. Or this one. Very nice. Yo guys, just check those presets. Tons of free presets. totally awesome for sound designing. It also has the effects section. You can customize it. It's like the sound section. Like the sound section, the oscillators actually are like different samplers. You can also work on the layers as well with all individual presets. So definitely worth to check it out. I think this one is too good to be free. So link in the description, you can check it out. So next plugin coming from Crow Hill Company. And actually they have like 6 free plugins and I'm going to show you just 2 of them. And you can just have one interface and switch between the plugins you downloaded. So the first one is Acid Synth. This is just like an 303 synth. Let me just show it to you. So I just have this MIDI and that's a very fast way to have Acid Synth. So pretty basic, out of the box, a decent 303 acid sound. And the second one was, again, from the same company. It's a lo-fi string, so the name is pretty much self-explanatory. It sounds pretty nice, and you can also customize many things. For example, you can add like detune. And some drive. And for the last plugin, which is called Drop the Rave. So this plugin, Rave generator from many old VST plugin contains the Rave step sounds. This is pretty much the same. It has cool sounds in it. And the sounds, I'm sure all of them is going to be familiar to you. That's the sound. Like those are the step sounds, and in the context, they sound like this. So again, pretty self-explanatory plugin. There are tons of sounds in it. And I think this one is just a free for a limited time. If you like it, don't waste time. Just get this one out. Link in the description as well. Yeah, guys, those are the plugins I wanted to share with you as the part 2. If you have more plugins on your mind, please let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna check them as well. So that was it. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.